Where are you now?
Where are you now? In the farm of Budang.
Yay!
Oh, come on na. Let's go. This way, please. This way, please. We're going to the fish. You tur payas. Down. You tur payas on the fish. You will see a big fish, a small fish. Here. Hey.
Naliligaw ka na.
Okay, you will see a big fish. You will see there. Where's the fish? Hey fish, where are you? Come outside. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Oh, where's the net? We'll get the net and so you can see the fish. Where's the fish? Where's the net? We'll get the net. Oh my god.
Oh yes, you good?
Where's the fish? You want to swim here? You want to swim?
No,
Why?
I'm scared.
We're scared.
We're scared. Where's the net? I don't see the net.
And then should I clear up this too? And then see.
Where's the fish?
Fish, come
Come
on,
on, fish.
Fish.
Where are you, fish?
Fish.
Where are you, fish?
Where are you?
Where are you, fish?
Where are you, fish?
Oh, it's they're hiding
Yeah.
at the bottom of the fish pond.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you finished? You want to see more animals?
It's a bubble.
Yes, it's a bubbles. You want to see more animals pa, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to see? What do you want to see? What do you-
Pig.
Okay. Well, we'll go to the pig now. Okay,
Yes,
this way,
please.
please. This way. This way. Okay. Careful.
A pig.
Okay,
Okay.
come here. We're going to the pig. We're going to the pig.
Yeah.
You can see a white pig and a
Yeah.
black pig.
Yeah. I see an animal. I ate a pig.
Oh, you tur pa, yes? Okay. You go with Budang. Go. You go with Budang.
Wow! It's a
Kasi mo yung ano mo sa leg mo?
A pig!
Okay, you can see here, there's a lot of black pig. You count the pig pa, yes? You count the pig.
Pig over there!
Oh, it's a native pig, so don't get close. Oh, you count the pig. Hey, pa, yes.
A big
Dang.
pig.
Yes. You count the pig there. You count the pig. The black pig. You count.
A black pig.
You count.
2, 5, 8, 7, 9, 10.
Very
No.
good.
Start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pig?
4.
Bala ka dyan.
How many 2 pig?
Dirty.
That's what you called.
Gising na yung pig. Big.
Gising na yung pig. How many pig is here? How many pig? A 2 pig. A 2 black big pig. And you can see here a fish. Come on. Here. There's a fish here. Yes. What's the color of the fish, Dang? What's the color?
Right there. Orange.
Orange. What's the color of the pig? What's the color of the pig? Pa, yes.
Black.
No, it's orange.
Orange.
Pig ang sabi mo
Ay,
kasi.
fish.
Kaya black.
No, it's a fish. What's the color of the fish? You wanna swim there?
No.
Why?
Because I will eat a fish.
Oh, there's another fish here.
Hello.
Ay, pig.
Hello. Are you blessed? You blessed?
Bless
po?
na, bless.
There's the other pig.
Oh, you count the white pig. Hey, there's no rat there. Come on,
Yeah, I
here.
need Tito. I need Kuya Ivan ang rat niya.
Come on. How many pig? How many pig here? You count. Dang, you count the pig, Dang. You count the pig. You count the pig.
First
How
time
many
mo makakita pala ng pig, ano?
Ay, siya.
Yung
Okay.
buhay na pig.
Okay. How many pig? You count the pig. You count the pig. Na-amaze siya sa pig. What they're doing? Huh? What they're doing? Oh! The pig is wee-wee! Oh no!
It's really.
How many pig? You count the pig.
What?
How many pig is sleeping? One pig.
One big seven.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 white pig.
And that
I know. How many?
dirty pig. Dirty pig.